Goldis Berhad, which is a listed company, we were formed after the merger of IGB and Tan & Tan. It was merged into one property company, and Goldis became the holding company. So as a group, we are one of the, I would say, within the top 3 property developers in the country. In terms of asset holding, in terms of property that we own, we're one of the largest private landlords in the country. The GTower concept was taking property development one step further in offering a new working concept. Historically, if you want to call it the DNA of the building itself, DNA was formed from a long tradition of innovation. The group was one of the first to build the first condominium in the country, the first to build a gated community residential development, which is Sierra Mas, the first to build a mega mall, which is the Mid-Valley Mega Mall. So traditionally, historically, the DNA was formed from this tradition of innovation. I think Goldis as a group, we have always made investments into sustainable, environmentally friendly technology and businesses. And going green when we were building GTower was a natural progression. It was in line with our group philosophy, and we felt it was a business model for the future. So the entire conceptualization of GTower, the soul of GTower, being green and also being an intelligent building, we thought captured the essence of Goldis' investment philosophy. The GTower new working concept that we are bringing forward to the country is an integration of offices, predominantly offices, supported by hotel and other facilities such as the club floor, the gym, and the F&B. So what we've done is to integrate all these elements within the same building as an integrated commercial development, and all of them serve different purposes towards the working lifestyle. Offices, we view it as longer-term work environments. You take a lease for 3 years. The hotel rooms and the hotel facilities have been designed to cater for short-term work environments. So you could be there for a week, a couple of weeks, and you can work effectively from the hotel room, from the business facilities, from the club floor. So that is something that is quite new in terms of an integrated concept that we're bringing to the country. What it means to GTower under the Green Mark Gold certification is that we are more efficient in terms of energy usage as compared to a building of a similar size. We will have about 23% energy savings compared to a building of a similar size. It also means water efficiency throughout the building. So we're talking about water efficient tap fittings, the use of rainwater. We harvest the rainwater to irrigate the plants in the building. We have under the indoor environment quality controls, we also have a lot of green planting throughout the building. We have literally trees being put in throughout the building. Added to that, we have put in things like carbon dioxide sensors at the aircon units. What that does is that it will detect the level of CO2 within a particular space. If CO2 builds up, it will automatically trigger more fresh air coming into the building. So that helps to eliminate the sick building syndrome. In the basement car parks, we have carbon monoxide sensors. GTower, we call it a grade A++ building. So we have 1+ for being a green building, and we also have another plus for being a multimedia super corridor compliant infrastructure that we put into the building. What that means is that in terms of ICT, the entire building is wired up with fiber and Cat6. There is active equipment by 3Com on every floor. There is a data center comprising of a complete suite of solutions, primarily from 3Com. There are other vendors involved. It also has dual fiber feed coming into the building. We will have dual power feed coming into the building, which means that it's fully redundant as a building. We don't have downtimes. And because we have built in the structured cabling infrastructure, what we found was that in terms of, let's say, project management, we have saved a lot of costs in terms of the use of copper wiring instead of using fiber optics. So again, that's less taxing on natural resources. By utilizing and harnessing technology, we could go green in a bigger way and a better way. For example, with the use of LED lighting, intelligent lighting controls within the building, movement detectors. Again, it's all controlled by the building management system. The other advantage of having the backbone, the infrastructure in place within the building, is that it allows this building to showcase true multimedia convergence. So what it means is that voice, data, telephony, and video is running all on the same cable. That allows true multimedia convergence. So we have IPTV available, we have IP telephony, we have RFID smart cards to enhance security systems, and of course we have gigabyte broadband available to tenants in the building because of the fiber connections that we have. That is again a very unique selling point in terms of being an intelligent building.